Okay, here we are with another Gino's Gem. I'm going to show you how to get the earnings calendar for this week. A very important, great gem because it makes life easier as a trader. So let's jump right into it. You know, one of the sites that does a really good job on earnings is one called Earnings Whisper. Let me bring that over so you guys can see that. Now, Earnings Whisper tracks earnings reports, guidance, and what have you. And they have a really good breakdown and really in-depth on earnings. And there's a lot of data there. But what I want to do to keep life simple is I want to know what's the big names coming up this week. So there's two ways you can do it. If you have a Twitter account, you can just subscribe to earnings and they'll give you every week the calendar. But if you don't have it, you can simply go to Earnings Whisper. Right there's a little Twitter symbol right there. You see the bird right there. You click it. It brings it up. And what I'm looking for is if you're a subscriber, you know, you're going to see their breakdowns all the time. But the only one that I really pay attention to that is on the Saturday one. As you see on the Saturday ones, during the weekend, every week they'll send you this massive calendar. Let me click that so you can see what it looks like. And that just makes life easy. That makes life easy. I could come in here and just do a screenshot of this and save it on as a JPEG on my computer. You will see this, by the way, in the newsletter. It's in the newsletter on earnings. When we do the earnings weeks, it's not, some weeks it's just boring. There's nothing, right? But this is the big one. We got 1,100 earnings this week coming out. These are the big names. Today before the open, Infosys, after the close, NXP, tomorrow, Tuesday, UPS before the open. So you can see the logos, you can see the big names. They've got them listed by market cap too, pretty much by the biggest names here. So you can see the top row, the big names. Just an easy, quick, fun way to see what's on tap for earnings. We have a lot of earnings gems to bring you, so check out more on Gino's Gems. Hope you enjoy it. See you again. This is Gino's Gems for trading.